are going to discuss about our skeletal system, our human skeletal system. And the information now I am going to share with you is very useful for 10th standard student, 12th standard students and students those who want to give any competitive exam also. Okay. Skeletal system. What is skeletal system? How it works? How it forms? These all things we are going to discuss over here today. Okay. First, just imagine what would happen if you don't have any skeletal system. What would happen? Could you walk properly without skeletal system? No. Could you run properly? Could you eat? Could you do any action without skeletal system? No. We can't do any action, we can't do anything without our skeletal system. So our skeletal system is very important, where it's play a very an important role for us. Okay. This skeletal system this skeletal system is actually in the form of a framework. Okay, and this framework is made up of lots of bones. Okay, do you know how many bones are present in our body? There are 206 bones are present in adults and 306 bones are in childs. Okay, and that bones are situated different parts of our body, and from this system we get proper shape of our body. Now there are four types of bones in our skeletal system. First one is flat bone, irregular bone, small bone, and the last one is long bone. Okay, the longest bone of our body is our femur bone, which is also called as thigh bone. Okay, and the smallest bone of our body, that is called as was sternum. Okay, we are going to discuss about two parts of skeletal. Okay, first is called as axial skeletal and the second is called as what, appendicular skeletal. First we are going to discuss about our axial skeletal. That axial skeletal also further divided into three parts. The first one is skull, second one is rib cage, and the third one is vertebral column. Okay, now in our skull, first part is our what, skull, and in our skull there are 22 bones are present. Okay, and from that 22 bones, 14 bones from our face and remaining 8 from the head. Okay, now I want to show the diagram of that skull. Okay, look at here. This is our what, skull. Okay, and this is our skull. 14 bones from here and the remaining 8 bones from here. This is our what, cranial. It is also called as what, skull, also called as cranium. Okay, now look here. There are two jaws are there. First upper jaw and the second one is lower jaw. Okay, do you know our upper jaw is not movable? Okay, there is no any movement by this upper jaw, but the lower jaw is movable. Okay, and from this lower jaw we can eat, we can speak. Okay, this is a movable part, movable jaw, and this upper jaw is not movable. Okay, now we are going to discuss the vertebral column. This is our vertebral column, and in that vertebral column there are 33 bones are present, and the last one is our rib cage. Look, this is our what, this is our rib cage, and in this rib cage there are 25 bones are present in this rib cage. There are, look it here, there are 12 pairs. Here is 12 pairs of rib. Okay, and this rib is attached, each rib is attached dorsally with vertebral column and ventrally to the sternum. So what is mean by dorsal and ventral? Dorsal means what? Dorsal means the side. Dorsal side means what? the back side. Dorsal side is our back side and ventral side is our front sides. Okay, front side. Okay, now let's discuss about our hand. Okay, our hand is also made up of from 30 bones. Okay, 30 bones are there in our hand. Okay, the upper part is called as what? Upper part of our hand is called as humerus, and the lower part of our hand is made up of from two bones. First is called as radius and the second bone is called as what? Ulna. Okay, from that radius and ulna, the one which towards the thumb, okay, with one which towards the thumb, it's called as what? Radius, and the one who towards the little finger, it's called as what? Ulna. Okay, then our wrist bone. Okay, our wrist bone is also, it's also consists of total 8 bones are there in our wrist. Okay, after that come towards our palm. Our palm is also made up of from 5 bones. Then finger, each finger has 3 parts. Okay, whether our thumb has 2 parts. Okay, this fingers is called as what? Phalanges. This part, our wrist, is called as carpals. This palm region is called as what? Metacarpals, and this fingers is called as what? Phalanges. Okay, and the same see, muscular system. Muscles are the soft part of our body. Okay, that covered that skeletal system of our body. There are about more than 600 muscles are there in our human body. Okay, to do heavy work, we need what? We need strong muscles. Okay, so till here we covered all important things of about our human skeletal system. Okay, now we are going to revised all things that which are learned today. Okay, so first, human skeletal system. What is the functions of human skeletal system? That give skeletal system gives us proper shape of our body. It protects all internal organs of our body. Okay, internal organs means what? Our for example, our brain. Okay, our brain is internal organ, and our brain is very important organ, internal important organ of our body, and the skull protects that bone. Okay, similarly our ribs. Okay, our ribs protects our heart and lungs. Okay, I want to show you our skeletal system with the help of diagram. Okay, look here. This is our skeletal system. This is the diagram of entire our skeletal system. Okay, this is our skull. This is our hands. Okay, this is our rib cage. This is our pelvic. This is our femur, which is the longest bone of our skeletal system. This is our tarsals. Okay, this is our tibia and fibula. As we discussed earlier, there are two parts of hands. There are two parts in our hand, lower hand. That is, for first is radius and the second is ulna. Okay, same here. In our leg also, the lower part of our leg is also made up of from two bones. First one is what? Tibia, and the second one is what? Fibula. And this is also called as tarsals, and this is our metatarsals. Okay, so this is our skeletal system of our human body.